On Good Day, it is Money Monday. The next time you apply for a loan, the lender may be looking at a lot more than just your credit score. They might be looking at Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, pretty much everywhere to see what you really like. Certified Financial Planner Joe Bert joins us now with more on that. Good morning, Joe. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So that's one of the things they're looking at these days. Right. What are they looking for on social media?
Well, they want to find out, and this particularly applies to people that have what we call subprime credit. If you have a good credit score, you have no worry. But if you have what we call subprime credit, your FICO score is in the 600s, they're looking for your social activity. They want to know, really, are you spending a lot of money on vacations? Do you binge on the weekend? Do you have all this? Because what they're looking for is, are you the kind of responsible person that will pay the money back?
It's funny because, you know, what, 10 years ago, when I was in the mortgage industry, it was liar loans. They didn't ask for anything.
Well, things have changed.
You have a pulse? Sure, you get a loan. I mean, they're looking at everything these days now, and it's not just social media, is it?
Yeah, social media is a part of it, particularly for those people that have subprime credit. If you have, once again, if you have a good credit score, you probably have nothing to worry about. But once again, if you've been doing a lot of stuff on social media that you don't necessarily want a lender to see, because they're judging your character, because they're looking at your ability and willingness to pay back. Do you spend a lot of money on exotic vacations, big cars? Are you going out with your friends every weekend? That kind of stuff. So you can't hide anymore.
Interesting. Now, in this day and age, what are the other big factors you think they're looking for?
Well, the most important thing is the payment history. Are you reliable in making your payments on a timely basis? And the other thing they're looking for, what's your debt to credit ratio? If your debt to credit ratio is more than 36%, you're going to have some problems.
And those kind of things they can also find out on social media. Taking those big vacations.
That's for sure.
You know, also, I mean, it's simple, you would think, but you really need to document that you've had an income over the past few years now these days too, right?
Well, this is particularly when you're getting from mortgage. If you're going to go buy a car, that's not such a big deal.
Not such a big deal.
Yeah, but as you said, back in the old days, if you could fog a mirror, you got a loan.
Yeah.
Yeah, but now they're asking for a lot of documentation. Not only that, they want to know about your retirement accounts. Do you have that kind of stuff? And as I said, the most important thing is your credit payment history. If you pay your debts on a regular basis, don't have any past due credit, you're in good shape.
All right, bottom line for people wanting to borrow some money right now?
This is a great time, you know, particularly for homes. Mortgages are at ultimate high, they're at historic lows.
It's funny we're still saying that. We've been saying that for so many years. We keep thinking it's not going to go lower.
It's going to change, John.
You need to lock it in, don't you?
Yeah, for sure.
All right, Joe Bert, how can people find you?
Just Google me, Joe Bert, 2 words, B-E-R-T. By the way, the Joe Bert Alvarez, the Puerto Rican boxer, he won a big title this weekend. So he's my new hero.
So Joe Bert's all over the place right now. All right, Joe, always good to see you. Thank you.